Grapefruits are the result of a natural hybrid between the pomelo and sweet orange. The Duncan grapefruit tree is the oldest deliberately created hybrid, dating back to 1830. Al Duncan, who worked in insurance at the time, grafted buds from a grapefruit to a sour orange tree, and the Duncan grapefruit was born. Later, hybrids of the Duncan include pink grapefruit and miniolas. The tree is large, spreading, and grows vigorously. The fruit is almost round and has a smooth, light yellow rind. The flesh is very pale yellow, juicy, and seedy. The flavor is considered by many to be superior to similar seedless grapefruit varieties. The Duncan is considered to be somewhat early in maturity. The fruit holds well in the tree. As well with other grapefruit varieties, it should be grown in locations that can satisfy its high heat requirement. A grapefruit tree needs to grow in sun, so you will need to choose a spot that gets lots of sun. Your Duncan grapefruit tree grows best in a loamy, well-drained soil. If the soil in your yard is clay-based, then you need to work some sand and minerals into it to improve its quality. To grow Duncan grapefruit tree in a pot indoors, you will need to get a dwarf variety, which can still grow to about 8 feet. This means the tree will need to be pruned quite regularly to keep it to a manageable height. Yarrow, dill, and fennel attract beetles that feed on aphids, so they are an excellent companion plant for grapefruit and other citrus plants. Parsley and common aphids attract tachyonide flies and wasps that kill harmful caterpillars. Another good set of neighbors to grapefruit is legumes, such as peas and alfalfa. Grapefruit has a wide range of uses other than being edible and nutritious, some including do-it-yourself cleaning products, to cat repellent to fire starting. Like other citrus fruits such as oranges and tangerines, grapefruit is an excellent source of vitamin C. This water-soluble nutrient is important for effective protein metabolism, wound healing, collagen maintenance to reduce signs of premature aging, nerve communication, and muscle movement.